Hello. Hello. Absolutely neb. Gobeithio ydych chi'n cadw'n iawn. Absolutely neb. Does neb yma yn chief camera. Bod o. Dyla. Lot gwell. Croeso fans fi. Croeso i'r chat. Moderator streamelements.com. Diolch yn fawr. Am joinio fi yn yr stream yma. Dwi'n mynd am new look ydw. Dwi am... Oc, mae'n beth yn gwrs. Dwi'n jumpio fewn i'r gêm yma. Enw'r gêm yma ydy Kukiomi. Consider it. Holl pwynt y gêm yma ydy fod yn considerate, dwi'n meddwl? Ti fod yn gwneud choices? Dwi'n gael shift fi hyn yma. Dwi'n gael shift hyn yma. O, na. Damn. Shift on, man. Oh. Ah. On the fly editing. Digon da. Ok, digon da. Iawn. Dwi'n weithio. How to play. Oh. This is a space where you're free to consider things as you like. There's no one here to stop you from being as considerate as you please. Dwi'n considerately bitter fudge. Geith hwnna'n iawn efo'r chat, enwedig streamelements.com. After considering the situation, move the red object on the screen. Sometimes there may be nothing to move. Just do what you consider the most appropriate action. Actually, most now. If you wish to start playing, just press the escape key. Okay. Man, a multiplayer. We home. Go around un viewer. Sef fi fy hun. Eisiau chwaith consider it. Dwi'n mynd i considerately agor can y coc. Okay, go. Yeah, dwi'n gwybod hyn. Gwybod hyn, met. Gwybod hyn. Let's go. Number 1. Dwi am mynd. Dyma. Dyma. Number 2. Oedd e'n reit considerate gyda fi dweud. Down boy. Dwi'n pwysio down. Yes! Dwi'n considerate o'n i fanna. Into Q. O? Mae'n reit considerate oedd. Dwi'n fflio fewn i fanna. Very considerate. Moderately considerate. Okay. Dwi'n mynd i gysgu. Considerate. Can I take your order? Oh, mynd eisiau rhan o hwnna. You. O, can I goch? Okay. I, Dwi'n mynd C. C. Na reit considerate oedd. Oh, I get this last pin. Will you go out with me? Yeah, okay. Okay. Very vaguely considerate. Okay. Stand. I stand. Up out. You seated. Oh well. Inconsiderate hwnna. Let's go to the zoo. Oh, dwi'n girlfriend on. Cerdd ffwrdd. Cerdd i ffwrdd. Dwi'n bach o pritai. Oh my god. Oh my god. O, dwi'n wedi gysgu. Dwi'n mynd i un beth. Dwi'n mynd i un beth fa. Yay! Mexican wave. Moderately considerate. O, sa elfen o speed yna fo. Dwi'n meddwl fod y speed yna fo. Oce. A fod mwy considerate yn gynt. Dwi'n considerate o'n i fenna fan. Pam eisiau bwysio buttons hwnna the last one? You. Oh no, na bar na! Eisiau gweld y bar! Eisiau gweld y bar! Oh! Oh, today's our date. Rom-com. Class. Efo, so we really consider it hwnna. What a gent. Very vaguely considerate. Okay. Good morning. Oh, just before. Because I'm considerate. Bo. Siwr sydd gallu malu hen ddyn a dwi ddim eisiau bryd mae'n teimladau fa. Aros oedd ochr e. Class. Considerate. There's another date. I guess we could think of them as a couple now. He seems really naive. Ooh. Dwi'n iawn da? Mae'n rhy forward. Walk away. Just walk away. Very vaguely considerate. How do you vaguely considerate? Is she wrong? Is she wrong? Wel, be yna? Ddim yn cael pwysio byd o fanna. Okay. Oh, na, ni eisiau chi baich iddo fo. Baich fel hwnna. Oh, not very considerate. Ooh, I got a personality test back. You want to see? Yeah, let's see what we got. What? Na eisiau gyrraedd i ffwr hwnna. Turn right. Oh, left hwnna! Left hwnna! Left hwnna! Na! Na! Just wrong. Hwnna'n considerate. Truly, mildly considerate. Oh, dda fydd y llaw i fyny. Dda fydd y llaw i fyny. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Mynd i bar. Fuck it. Dim pen moel pan ti'n mynd i bar. Oh no! Ti'n troi bwysio beth? Be ti'n sy'n na? I'll hit a home run for you. Okay. No! Ti'n mynd i ofen! No! Oce bach na fydd yn mwy sal. No! Ie, na fa. O'n i reit considerate o'na. Down to my last ball. This is my last chance. Na! Nes i symud o! Nes i symud o trwy'n considerate. Some way or another, consider it. O iawn, ocê, as long as ma'n deud consider it ti'n iawn. Dirty. Dwi'n glir iawn fi bwysio. YOLO. Dwi'n methu ddim byd, dwi'n methu ddim byd, dwi'n methu ddim byd. Ddim yn cael un byd o fanna, ddim yn cael un byd o fanna. O, yn consider it fanna. Dwi'n very consider it fanna, i ddweud y gwir. Very vaguely consider it. 41. Yn un byd. Walking away, man. Walking away. Not being a creep. No creeps in this stream, please. Can't believe I'm picking. Ooh. Right, nah. Yeah. I'm gonna fudge. It's neb yn y chat yn gallu stopio fi. Consider it. Oh. Got it. What? What? Very classy gonna fi fanna. O'n i'n very classy. Very classy. Okay. O, some sŵn. O, shit, oedd yn gadw bwysio fi. O, some sŵn. O, nes i mati fo. No! Dwi'n chwan am muted. Mae iawn, dim fatha sy'n efo fucking gwatcho fi, ond, got it. Cold. No, cold tea. Cos mae'n boeth. Coffi ydi isio. Dwi'n gwybod na. Executive decision. O, sy'n neis dwi. Nes i'n bwyd iddi. Cos dwi yn very... Oh, yeah, no, she disgyn. Very vaguely considerate. Cool. I'll take that. I'll take that. O, ddim sbio. Oce, iawn. Sbio fi ddim yn sbio. Sbio fi ddim yn sbio. Classy. Ww, nhw'n gyd yn stare na fi. Nhw'n gyd yn stare na fi. Eisiau symud. Big bro, I'm so hungry. Oh, nah, dim grave with the fireflies. Beth ydy hyn? Dwi'n gwybod be o hwnna. Dwi'n gwybod be o hwnna. Right, ti'n cael hwnna. Efo, i toasters efo. Neu tons. Dwi'n gwybod beth ddigwydd hwnna. Awesome yet depressing. Hey, everyone check out the personality test again. Yeah. No! Chevalier's screen. What's that's actor's name again? Yeah, I really want to see that. Shit, you're in het hoor. Well, dan consider it. Today is Premium Friday. No. Is je... Doe me een bit. Hwna ddim yn bai fi. Hwna ddim yn bai fi. Hwna ddim yn bai fi. Oh, na. Iacyn hwci, dim yn ffocin buwch dwi'n e. Fawr, met. Ech yn fawr. Namaste. Ah, pwy mae chicken yn dod. Pwy mae chicken yn dod. Cymryd ddim yr omelets, da angen. Meddwl? Beth iawn o fyna?
お手を拝借。よーって言ったら手を叩いてね。よー。
ちょっとレートね。Fuck hwnna. Dwi'n trio cheerio. Yeah. Consider it. Dyna byd. Okay. Mae hi eisiau bach o robots. Yay! Nes i stopio fo bit o omelet. Cos dwi'n consider it. No big deal. No big deal. Yes. Bang. God, mae'n sy'n yna. First in line. Oedd bod Sofi'n edrych na rili fewn i robot. Oedd o'n cael y robots da. Help. ally. Nice! Nice! What? Oh shit, ydyn ni wedi adael o fynd dan. Modus. Ddech chi fel? Fudge. What's wrong? Are you with the key there? No! She's up in the cupboard. No! Oh shit. Dancing! Got day tomorrow. Tomorrow's an exam for my whole life. Tomorrow's the day. I have the boot account. Yay! Consider it. Oh. Race course. Yeah, she fucking up in it. Oh, no. Yay. Consider it stick. Oh, custom competition. $15. Fail. What the fuck? On comedy show? Don't push me. Comedy show, on comedy show, arrive in it though. Part of show. That's even hot. Okay. Bro. We're still be all there. Fucking home run. Fucking yes, man! I'm a bit of that! 82, let's go. Killer moves. 83, let's go. Een bit? Ja. Een bit, weet je. Okay. By the way. Nah! 85, let's go. Nah. Look at the textbook. Nothing else to see. Nothing else to see. Reading my textbook. Book of text. Non sono di Galia, puttana. 86. Very considerate, Signora. 87. Let's go. Di, edrych yn confident. 88. Dwi'n cymryd yn y cant yna. Paid ysbryd alien. Paid ysbryd alien. Da iawn. O, ti'n neud o. Ww, dwi'n sacrifice yn hyn. Dwi'n sacrifice yn hyn. O, mae'n cadw ni'n cysglyd. But yes, hand up. Yes. But no hands down. Okay. Answer if you don't want the world to destroy. Is you human? Yes. Don't want to death, is it? Yes. Do not. Whoa, 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 whoa! Dwi'n methu symud o. Dwi'n methu symud. No. Yes. Yes. No secrets. Yes. Nah, no hero. No? Cadw, eh? Yes. O, superhero ddo. Nes i sbio ffwrdd, nes i oedd o'n gallu newid i outfit. Un o Saka. Okay. Consider it. Yay! Love the world. Here we go. Yes. No. 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 Yay! Consider it. Man, damn. Dwi'n mis yma. Reit yn canol. 97. I'm bored. I can plant something. Here is away. Here is in. Chance, you know, there. Chance, you know. 88. Okay. 9. In a while. As you came. I really wanted to see you. Just hold my hand. Don't need you, Ellen. Brings back memories, huh? You sent me photo of that ghost. Oh, this is my background, you know? And it was fun going to see that band. You even went on a date with that cow, right? Oh, I know all about it. It would have been nice to stay with you longer. Remember the giant monster? Yeah. I totally beat it. There you go. You remember the first day we met? You were so indecisive. Anyway, forget about me. Just go find someone new. Sorry, can't stop crying. I'm sorry I couldn't be more considerate. I'm inconsiderate, but I'm not strong enough. You always look out for other people. Oh. You're so kind. I really love that about you. Even the times you didn't need to. I'll never forget it. Thank you. Goodbye. I don't want to die. Oh my god. Oh my god, one minute. Okay. Clean. Deliver. Oh, okay. Green light to level. Less sympathy with Moid there. I'll take it up. Whoa! Okay. The extras. Oh, yeah. Oh well. That's literally neb, got you in there. Fucking class. Fucking class. Ta be, chwarae beth arall allan. Chwarae. Be ga i chwarae. Am chydig bach o amser. Fi heb chwarae i... Be allai chwarae? Dwi'n mynydd. Chwarae beth... Let's have a look. Na, dwi ddim mynd i chwarae beth dwi'n meddwl. Mm. Ow. Be... Ga chwarae. Be sy ar y gweithio yma? Hmm. 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 Be dwi eisiau? Be? Should we casually chwarae hwn? Bach o hwn ta. Bach o hwn ta. Fuck. Pam sa ddim sŵn? Pam sy'n sŵn? Discord. Steam. OBS. Okay. Hwnna'n lle, fel la. Elfyn Evans. Yr un ogyn. Yr un ogyn Elfyn Evans. Iawn. Dwi'n gael rhaid. Wynafio. Doing this with
5,
speed run with controller.
3, 2, 1. We're off. 30, left 3, opens. Into right 4, into left 3, short. And right 4. Into kinks. And crest, into right 5, tightens. Into left 5, 80. Caution, junction right, into left 4, long, tightens. Into flat right, and right 4 short, 30. Right 4 short, into kinks, 50. Brake, hairpin right, into flat left. And left 4 short, narrows. And right 3 narrows, definitely don't cut. Into left 3, keep in. Into right 5, don't cut. And right 3 short, 40. Right 3 tightens, into left 2, 100. Left 4 tightens 3, long. Into right 2 short, 80.
Ooh, I'm gonna need that.
Acute hairpin left, 50.
Oh, you fucking have it there.
Short, into right 4, small cut. Into left 3, short.
Oh my gosh,
crest, into right 3, short, don't cut. And hairpin right, 50. Flat left and caution, danger over crest, junction, left 5, keep in. And right 5 short, into left 4 short,
Oh,
50. Right 3, into left 3, 50. Left 5 short, into right 4 long, tightens 3. Into flat left, 30.
Oh, get on.
Flat right and brake, into right 4 over bridge. And caution, right 2, brake for acute hairpin left, 50. Flat left into kinks. And hairpin right, don't cut, 80.
Oh, slap.
Left 3 short, into right 4 medium, tightens 3. Into left 3 short, 20. Hard brake, left 4 tightens.
Oh my God!
30. Right 4,
Wow.
into left 4, 50. Left 3, into right 4. Into flat left, narrows, 50. Crest, into right 4, 80, bumpy. Square left, don't cut, into bridge. Into left 3 short, 30.
Oh my God.
Right 4 long, tightens, into left 4. And right 3, 20. Left 3 over crest, brake, 20. Hairpin right.
Oh no,
Left
I need to
3
go
into
back.
right 4, don't cut.
Cut the miss. What? Tid? Iets in duel. Iets in duel. Fuck that. Fuck that. Look up the training heen. So look.
Three, 2, 1. We're off.
Gold. First try, gold. Cause we fucking legend. Okay, mate. Let's go. Sabana. Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Right 4, short, into left 5, short. Left 5, into right 5, narrows over crest, 20. Left 4, tightens, into right 3, short. Right 3, short, and right 3, short, small cut. Into left 3, short, 30. Square left, tightens, into flat left, into right 3.
Oh my god!
3, 2, 1, let's go. Right 4, short, into left 5, short. Left 5, into right 5, narrows over crest, 20.
Oh my god, there was.
Left 4, tightens, into right 3, short.
Oh, niet goed, niet goed, niet gewoon eraan. Niet gewoon eraan.
3, 2, 1, go. Right 4, short, into left 5, short. Left 5, into right 5, narrows over crest.
Oh, but this.
Left 4, tightens, into right 3, short.
Bumps, maar. Oeh, front wheel drive.
Short, small cut.
Oh my god, we blijft,
30.
Daar is een
Square
third.
left, tightens, into flat left, into right 3.
Die wil laten zien hoe na.
Into square left, tree in, don't cut, 50. Left 4, small cut, into right 3, tightens. And left 4, small cut. And right 3, into left 4, open.
Oh my god, die should give the piss, man.
4, keep into right 4.
Gold. Gold. Oh shit, we cuddio the thing. We cuddio di'r holl pobl mas yn gwatcha fi. Dwi'n rhoi pen fi yn fanna. Pen fi. Fanna? Fanna well na? Fanna well na? Belgian Extreme. Extreme conditions. Okay. Pan hairpin. Extreme conditions, oh my god. I'm in head.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. And left 5, tightens, into hard brake, hairpin left, house in. Into flat.
Oh my god, extreme. Extreme. Power to the extreme.
3,
Okay.
2, 1. Off we go. And left 5, tightens, into hard brake, hairpin left, house in. Into flat right, 50.
Oh. Okay. Okay, dwi'n basically gwybod dwi'n gorffen yr un yma trwy'n gwybod y track.
2, 1. We're off. And left 5, tightens, into hard brake, hairpin left, house in. Into flat right, 50. Square right, small cut. Into right 3, 100. Right 5, tightens, into left 4, short. and left 5 and right 5, medium.
Fucking spit.
Caution, hard brake, into square right 100.
Oeh, de is nog bach yn fydd, yma nydd.
Square right, don't cut 100.
Gold anyway, gold. Cos dwi'n lejan. Lle mae'r challenge, oge? Lle mae'r challenge? Wnos. Okay.
3, 2, 1. Here we go.
Don't touch me. O, ti'n cael ei rwyd eto? Ti'n cael ei gorau? Oce. Sut mynd yn cael tire squirrels ar grafal? Goal. Easy. Problem yn y gêm yma di, and just quite ddim digon da. Fel quite digon da. Okay, just be the fastest.
Three, 2, 1. Off we go.
The fuck? What was that on? Ooh. Gar dan. Een mochene gar. Sorry, the setup. While ik heb pas het moment dat. Let's get these done. Get these done. Just leave it weer. Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Left 4, 30.
Push it there.
Left 3, tree in, and left 4, short. Into right 4, short 150.
Oh my
Left
god.
5, keep into right 6.
I'll give you the hawl allan hwnna.
Caution, hard brake, square left. Into right 2, into left 2.
Oh my god.
And right 2, into left 2, 30.
Bastard! Just cymryd y piss o cychwyn wedi gael hysbio hwnna.
2,
Okay.
1, let's go. Left 4, 30. Left 3, tree in, and left 4, short.
Trick efo extreme gravel tax ydi just assume ti'n mynd bod dim. Oh my god, I'm expensive.
Left 5, keep into
Oh my
right
god,
6,
sut
80.
ydy hyn?
Caution, hard brake, square left. into right 2, into left 2. And right 2, into left 2, 30.
Go.
And left 2, into right 2, medium, opens. And left 2, tightens, into right 3. Into left 3, and right 3, short. Into left 2, into left 3, and right 3, tight, into left 3, short.
Oh my god.
Into right 2, short, tight,
Gold.
and left 1.
Gold. Gold. Except nothing less.
3, 2, 1. Off we go.
Oh my god, punch it.
I'm okay.
I'm okay.
3, 2, 1. We're off.
Oh my god, it was. Zit zo een glad aan dus die miste. Ja. Oh! Vai weer nou. Vai weer nou.
Three, 2, 1. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Careful of the tires.
I'm careful with the tires, mate. It's to the limit. It's to the limit. Bit to the limits. Whew. Wat kun je niet in doen? Turkey, extreem. Paar sweet ride we could drive one.
Five, 4, 3, 2,
Oh, okay.
1. We're off. Into junction left, narrows. Into right 4, brake. Into left 3, narrows. Into right 4, into left 5, long, don't cut.
Oh my god. Okay, so my car went the target. Good to know.
3, 2, 1. We're off. Into junction left, narrows. Into right 4, brake. Into left 3, narrows. Into right 4, into left 5, long.
Oh my
cut.
god, with your graphics.
Into right 3, small.
The glow
into left
graphics,
4,
man.
don't cut.
Whoa!
Look out.
Seriously, with the glow graphics, man.
3, 2, 1. Off Off we go. And junction left, narrows, into right 4, brake, into left 3, narrows, into right 4, into left 5, long, don't cut. Into right 3, small cut, into left 4, don't cut.
Ah!
3, 2, 1, here we go. And junction left, narrows, into right 4, brake, into left 3, narrows, into right 4, into left 5, long, don't cut. Into right 3, small cut, into left 4, don't cut. Into right 5, tightens 3, fence out. And right 4, narrows, 30. Right 2, very narrow, 30. Right 4, into left 3. Into right 2. And left 3, into right 6, very long.
Gold though. Gold though. Class. Just dyrra fi mewn car a deithu lle fynd. Na i rest, met.
3, 2, 1, off we go.
Ooh, cameras. Okay, just got the feelers allan. Just got the feelers allan. Na rai fynd o'r first but to.
3,
Cael sense.
2, 1, go.
Not my finest work there. Easy, mate. Easy, mate. Train D2, completed it, mate. Completed it. Serengeti of Kenya.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Left 3, into right 4. Into right 4, into left 3. Into right 2, and dip. And left 3, over dip, into right 2, 30. And left 2, into right 2. Through water, into right 2. And right 3, into left 2, long. Into right 2, bumpy, into square left, tightened, 80.
I'm on a second gear.
Into left 5, tightens. Into right 3, short.
Oh my
into
God,
links,
be the
and
bumps,
right
man.
5, 80, bumpy. square left into widens 500.
Silver! Emrys! Silver! Can't be having that. Got it. Got it!
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Left 3 into right 4. Into right 4, into left 3. Into right 2 and dip. And left 3 over dip, into right 2, 30. And left 2 into right 2. Through water into right 2.
Water. More water.
3 into left 2 long.
Faltadreffen van eigen.
Into right 2 bumpy, into square left tightens 80. Right 5 into left 5 tightens. Into right 3 short, into kinks and right 5 80 bumpy.
Oh my god, there was probably still on the good dinner.
Brake square left into widens 500.
What? What?
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're off. Left 3 into right 4. Into right 4, into left 3. Into right 2 and dip. And left 3 over dip, into right 2, 30. And left 2 into right 2. Through water into right 2. And right 3 into left 2 long. Into right 2 bumpy, into square left tightens 80.
Ah! More there.
Are you up?
More
3,
there, can you know?
2, 1. Off we go.
Off we go!
3 into right 4. Into right 4, into left 3. Into right 2 and dip. And left 3 over dip, into right 2, 30. And left 2 into right 2. Through water into right 2.
More water.
And right 3 into left 2 long. Into right 2 bumpy, into square left tightens 80. Right 5 into left 5
Fucking
tightens.
either. Committed.
Into right 3 short, into kinks and right 5 80 bumpy. Brake square left into widens 500.
Gold. Gold. Gold medalist. Easy, mate. Fudge, hwnna. George, nie wiem, głodźcie mi. Co streama. Jak on też będzie?
3, 2, 1, let's go.
balls.
3, 2, 1. Off we go.
I'm in second gear, dwi'n mynd gyd. Do, dyma Dan, helo, ti di byth i'r ystyried playthrough. Na, ath yr bit gyntaf yn para 45 minutes-ish. Just cyfres o minigames o ddo. So, o'n i'n gwybod be arall i chwarae, so dwi'n neud challenges WRC Generations yn lle. Mae gynna fi ystyried 2 a 3, ond jyst safio nhw ar gyfer stream ella gwyl dewi fi. Iawn oedd o fyd, y game ystyried na. O'n i'n fos mwy involved na oedd actually.
3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Oh my god, dim yn risbio hwnna.
Seems a bit optimistic.
Ie, dwi'n gwybod. Bell off faith. O, lot gwell o bus. Lot gwell. Bastard. Hwn ar y llaw arall. Yn pile of wank. Na fo li. Mae'n y poen iddo fod yn nes di a gweddill pob ar Twitch byth efo. Mae'n rili anodd dangos ti'n considerate bod sy'n efo gwaetha chdi. Ond o'n i'n very considerate. O'n i'n 56% considerate. Dwi'n dod y Corolla. Fflio to hyn, de. Dwi'n chwarae controller, dim steering wheel. True gamer. True gamer.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. To right 5 and left 6, brake. To right 4 short and left 3. And left 4 into right 5.
Oei, Chris. Iaw!
3,
Iaw!
2, 1. We're off.
Ti'n bet, dwi'n siw... Oedd o'n glir iawn y gem.
Into right 5 and left 6, brake.
Oedd yr sut o'ch chi'n cael dy fesur ddim yn clir iawn.
Left 3
So,
and left 4 into right 5.
oh my god,
5
sexy.
short, into right 4 brake. Into left 3 narrows, into right 3 opens, 30. Left 5 long tightens and left 6 opens, very long.
Oh my god, pan ysyn na? Pan ysyn ti'n fucking camera?
Watch out, stay on the track.
O'n i yn really considerate. Mae yna game mode allai efo multiplayer. Dwi'n mynd da sut yna'n gweithio. Dwi ddim yn dall sydd yn gweithio. Cael y reid fo'n scenarios, ydych chi? Oedd yn elfen, dwi'n meddwl amser yna hefyd.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're off. Into right 5 and left 6, brake. Into right 4 short and left 3. And left 4 into right 5. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Into right 5 and left 6, brake. Into right 4 short and left 3. And left 4 into right 5.
Oh my god, sut dwi'n byth dwi'n to? Pam dwi'n sleidio fan'na?
3,
Seriously.
2, 1. Off we go. Into right 5 and left 6, brake. To right 4 short and left 3. And left 4 into right 5. Into left 5 short, into right 4 brake. Into left 3 narrows, into right 3 opens, 30.
Ooh.
Left
So
5
speed
long,
is got clever,
and left 6 opens, very long.
So I think nes I ddim discuss o. Silver! Oh my god! Sexy, be nes i ddeud? Oh god, be nes i? Nes i ddeud beth heb sylwi fan, be nes i ddeud? Okay. Okay. Very... Diolch yn fawr iawn am y clip. Nes i'n sylwi. Nes i dweud hynna. Nes i'n sylwi, ond nes i dweud hynna tan ni'n neud hwnna on.
1, let's go.
A cofio dy rhywiol to nesa.
Into right 5 and left 6, brake. Into right 4 short and left 3.
Oh my god! Arousal is subconscious.
3, 2,
So be,
1. Off we go.
mae'n a lot o bethau neu fi'n aroused
Right
de.
5 and left
Di
6,
chwarae
brake.
WRC Generations ar nos
To right 4
fechar
short and left
a
3.
stream ddim yn un ohonyn nhw. Alla garanti hynny chdi.
And left 4 into right 5.
Hwna, dy'r un... Pam dwi'n ffwcio na fyny? Pam dwi'n ffwcio na fyny? Pam dwi'n ffwcio na fyny?
3, 2, 1. Here we go. Into right 5 and left 6, brake. To right 4 short and left 3.
O, siwr yn dyn o fa.
And left 4 into right 5. Tires should be warmed up now.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Broken. 3, 2, 1, go. Into right 5 and left 6, brake. To right 4 short and left 3. And left 4 into right 5. Seems a bit optimistic. Into left 5 short,
Tow.
into right 4 brake. Into left 3 narrows, into right
Efo
3
fourth
opens.
gear. Oh my god, na 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 na. O'n i'n gwybod. O'n i'n gwybod. O'n i'n ffocin gwybod.
3, 2, 1. Here we go. Into right 5 and left 6, brake. Into right 4 short and left 3.
Dwi'n swingio car yma gormod. Dim swing dio, car dio. Right, we just
And left 4
cover the
into
gamble.
right 5.
Oh my god. Okay.
Into left 5 short, into right 4 break. Into left 3 narrows, into right 3 opens, 30. Left 5 long
Shit,
tightens,
fucking hell,
left
innit?
6 opens, very long.
Gyda'r bumper yma. Pwede.
Well, you don't slide off.
Oh my god. Emrys McCrave yma. Silver! Got it now. Got it now.
3, 2, 1. We're off. Into right 5 and left 6, break. Into right 4 short and left 3. And left 4 in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Into right 5 and left 6, break. Into right 4 short and left 3. And left 4 into right 5.
Okay.
Into left 5 short, into right
Oh my
4
god, there
break.
was into good on.
Into left 3 narrows, into right 3 opens.
Kom
30.
fourth keer in betalen. Kom hier rijden nou.
Tires should be warmed up now. Left 5 long tightens and
Tau.
left 6 opens, very long.
Stick hier peace nuts. Shit, okay. Oh. Silver! Oh my god! 1334. Was dat al door R? What are you talking about? Oh yeah, okay. We got the one.
3, 2, 1. We're off.
Doen we de logo de cheer personal.
Into right 5 and left 6, break. Into right 4 short and left 3. And left 4 into right
Oeh, ik heb
5.
er in, hè? Ik heb er in knock, hè?
Careful you don't slide off. Into left
Ow.
4 short, into right 4 break. Into left 3 narrows, into right 3 opens, 30. Left 5 long tightens and left 6 opens, very long.
Wondering. Shit, we're in. Oh my god! Easy. 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 Maar gewoon een easy. Swadan. Doe een Swadan. Doe maar de Bersil ook nog een chip. It's ironic because we're really dread you call the Bercy Plus online. Swadan! Wel een auto. We driven auto. Het is een krenne. Oeh, Michel Mouton.
5,
World famous rally driver.
3, 2, 1, go! Bumpy, left 3, medium, tightens. And right 4 into left 3. Into right 4, narrows, into left 5.
Oh my
short.
god.
Three, 2, 1, let's go.
Wel, zijn er gewoon aan het touch me.
Medium, tightens. And right 4 into left 3. into
Oh my
right 4
God.
narrows, into left 5 short,
Turbo lag.
and right 4, into left 4 narrows, into right 3 long, into left 5 short, into right 5 short, and left 4 narrows, into right 3, and left 4 50,
Gold. Easy. Easy. Someone deed in Sweden. Altijd naar een easy. Oh my god. Hoe moet je winnen? Hoe moet je winnen? Dat kan niet meer. First time. Ik heb nu gewoon first time, man. Garantie. Emrys garantie. First time.
Three, two, one, we're off.
Oh my god. Second time. Bronze! Oh, I'm embarrassing. Pick a gear, stick to it. Oh, no, there's a lot
Should
to
be
slow.
warmed up now.
Oh my god! First time. Emrys first time. Wat speel je nu? Doe nu the first time. Again, Elvin Evans.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Right 5 opens, don't cut, 14. Right 4 opens long, don't cut. Into right 5 short, tightens, break. And left 2 into right 5. And left 3, don't cut. Right 4, keep in, into left 3, short. And right 4 opens, don't cut, 80. Left 5, 120. Left 4, tightens, don't cut, and right 2, caution, 80.
Silver! What? What? Skatta vi mynd. Yn boeth ma, hefyd. Skatta mynd am yn boeth. Och, boeth, yn sgoch dwi ddo. Reit sgoch hyd yn ddo.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, we're off. Right 5 opens, don't cut, 14. Right Right 4 opens long, don't cut. Into right 5 short, tightens, brake, and left 2 into right 5. And left 3, don't cut. Right 4, keep in, into left 3, short. And right 4 opens, don't cut, 80.
Shit. Oh.
5, 120. Left 4 tightens, don't cut, and right 2, caution, 80.
Oh, she clip your bath. Yeah, she fucking having it. Put my hand up. She fucking having it. Un go arall. Un go arall. Wedyn dwi'n mynd i trio mynd am world record. World record attempt ar ôl hwn wedyn. Live at twitch.tv/emusobo. World record attempt.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Right 5 opens, don't cut, 14. Right 4 opens long, don't cut. Into right 5 short, tightens, brake, and left 2 into right 5. And left 3, don't cut.
That's the line, don't at
Right
me.
4, keep in,
Don't
into
at
left
me,
3
bro.
short.
That's the
And
line.
right 4 opens, don't cut, 80. Left 5, 120. Left 4 tightens, don't cut, and right 2, caution, 80.
Oh my god! Guinness World Records. There's two types of Guinnesses I like devouring. A pint of... I like to devour two types of Guinnesses. Guinnessai. Guinnessai, dwi'n mynd i'n Guinness. Guinnessai. Guinness pints and Guinness World Records. Makes no difference to me which Guinness it is. Get it. So be? Dangos sort of confidence through there. So be then, gyd i dewis y car ar lad. As long as you dewis y car ar glad cywir. Iawn. Monte Carlo, Sweden, Croatia, Portugal, Italy, Sardinia, Kenya, Estonia, Finland, Belgium, Greece, New Zealand, Spain, Japan, Argentina, Chile, Germany, Mexico, Italy, San Remo, France, Corsica, Turkey, Wales. Wales. So, lle ti eisiau fi fynd? Nes i ddeud Kenya heb i chdi weld y gledydd i gyd ddo. So, na i second chance i chdi. Wales. Wyt ti roed i bod yn y Great Home? Yn Llandudno? Great Home. Nŵn. Da i mynd i Llandudno. Ti'n mynd y Great Home? What? Dyna myth i fod yn wir. Dyna ddim yn gallu bod yn wir. Iawn, pa car dwi'n mynd i wneud o'n? Pa car dwi'n mynd i wneud? Na'n ei cwrs nesaf yw. Sut ti heb wedi bod yn Great Home? Insane. Insano. Be? Yn Subaru Colin McRae. Colin McRae... Mae'r Great Home yn Llandudno. Mae yn Llandudno. Ni di weld o'n. Iawn. Be di world record fa yma efo'r car yma? Let's have a look. World record. Great Home. Iawn. Mae'r world record ar y map, ar y course yma gen Will XW04 efo 2:21:49. I got 2:21:49 to beat. Iawn? Let's have a look. Dwi'n mynd I wneud o heb setup gynta. Dwi am mynd going in raw. What I do best, I go in raw.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 100 right 5, keep in. And left 4 long, keep in, opens. And flat right long, tightens, 5. Into left 5, opens, don't cut, 100.
Oh my god.
Left 4 short, into right 4, tightens. And left 4 short, tightens, and left 4. Flat right over crest, tightens 5, short into left 3. And right 4 into left 3, short, into right 3, tightens, bumpy, and left
Oh my
3,
god, Iris!
into right 3, short, and left 4, short, 30.
Na! Ai fi orffan sy'n fod dwi.
Right 3, keep in, into left 3, tightens, don't cut.
Y fucking palmant ma. Dwi angen amser jydi. Na, dwi reit yn gychwyn. Shit. Shit.
3,
Iawn.
2, 1. Off we go. 100 right 5, keep in. And left 4 long, keep in, opens. And flat right long, tightens, 5. Into left 5, opens, don't cut, 100. Left 4 short, into right 4, tightens. And left 4 short, tightens, and left 4.
Dwi eisiau un lap, dwi eisiau neud o unwaith.
Flat right over crest, tightens 5, short into left 3. And right 4 into left 3, short. Into right 3, tightens, bumpy, and left 3. Into right 3, short, and left 4, short, 30. Right 3, keep
Dwi wedi bod yma, mae'n ni'n gwachad ralio back in the day.
And right 4, tightens, narrows, 40. Right 6 and left 5 over crest. And left 4 short into flat right, 60. And left 3 into right 3, medium, tightens.
Oh my god!
Into left 3, opens, into flat right, tightens. And left 3, keep in.
Palmant ydi o. Dwi wedi bynnu gormod ar y palmant am yn nocio fi. 6.
Into left 5, tightens, 4, into right 5.
Yn real life, so'r palmant yn nocio nhw fewn i'r môr na, dwi'n meddwl.
Bump, 40. Into right 5, tightens 4, short, into left 5, very long, tightens 40.
Cofio, dwi'n gael 2 spin yn y run yma.
3 short, rock out, and left 5, don't cut, 200. Right 5, 40. Caution, right 3, tightens. Into left 5, 30. And caution, brake for right 3, short. Into left 3, short. Into flat right, tightens, 5, 30. Left 4, short. Into right 5. And left 5, short, tightens, 3, 30. Left 5, tightens, 50. Flat right into finish.
Lle dwi'n y byd, rwan? T'be, dwi'n cofio Story Time with Emrys, fam. Dwi'n cofio gwachad World Rally y fama un tro, ochr Great Tom, ac o'n i sefyll ista ar un o'r bits ochr yna. A oedd Kubica yn rali ar y pryd. Ac oedd yn Polish Rally podcast o flaen fi a brawd fi. Ac oedd y stage gyntaf at 6:30 yn bora. 7:30 yn bora. A nath Kubica drifo pasio. A nath nhw agor boteli champagne a dawnio champagne yn ganol y Great Tom. '65th yn the... Sbeth? Dwi'n 65th fastest in the world. Ta be? O'n i'm yn disgwyl hynna, de? O'n i ddim yn disgwyl 65th, de? Hynna efo spin. '65th, ddo, sbia? O'n i ddim yn disgwyl 60... Un rhan arall. Felly neud trac arall. O, mae trwy'n mi gosi. Dyma. Oh my god! Iawn, mae'r amser yna, bob section yn referensio amser gorau fi. Fuck! Fucking hell! Mae chwalu bren fi trwy wedi bod yn Great Tom, Robertan. Dwi'n methu neud sens yna. So gallu nhw'n gynt ond eisiau neud o. Oh my god, o'n i'n lot o fach yna. Okay, dim much. Be dwi'n cofio o'r hwn ydi, ti'n gwybod pryd ti'n gallu mynd ar y palmant bod ti ddim. Come on. Dwi'n llyfn iawn efo'r steering. Oh my god, Ymrys! Bastard! Hefyd, dwi eisiau highlightio. Dwi'n neud hyn. Oh my god! Wrth y brwr all yn fanna. Dwi'n neud hyn gyd efo controller hefyd. O, dwi'n colli amser i gyd. Shit, o, nes i sbinio do. Beth o top fi? O, hwn oedd... Oh my god, mae di ffeidio. Mae wedi ffeidio. Hwn oedd y gem na nath Morgan gweithio ar. Dwnsio y dis. Hwna. Mae di ffeidio do. Dwi'n llai o gorfod. Cos dwi'n llai dillad fi. Golchi dillad fi. Reit aml. Dwi'n boi. Glân. Boi glân. Okay, eyes on the prize, Ymys. Take it, ddim cymryd y piss. Ddim hitio palmant fel ti accelerator hefyd. Dwi'n slofach, sut dwi'n slofach yn fanna? Sut dwi'n slofach yn fanna? Come on, okay. Mae gearing fi, ba man. Gobeithio dwi'n third gear rwan. Ynddo. Os ydw'n cael massive spin, ddylai... O, ie, fo. She massive spin o'r yma. Oh my god, Ymrys. Oh my god! Iawn. Last go. Last go. Last go. A wedyn dwi'n mynd I ddangos great home I chdi. Hynny di'r plan. Dwi'n gwybod dwi'n slofach yn fama, dwi'n meddwl dwi'n cael mwy o speed y fama wedyn. Ie, oce. Stop hitio'ch fucking palmant, Ymrys. Oh my god, Ymrys. Start the show. Yeah, shit. One a bit awkward. Oh, fuck. Oh, ben is je gynna, Pa dwi'n bod o'n hitio fanna? O, dwi'n... Dwi'n colli... O, da ni. Colli ddad fan yso. Oh, my goodness. Fuck it. 241. Seren, pwy di Seren? Ungys fan chdi. Seren? Ydw i wedi bod pwy di Seren? Oh, yeah. Obviously. Yeah. Dim mynd tan sylwi beth ti'n dweud, de. Nes i wneud gyd fela, wan. Nes i wneud yr yna i gyd fela, ta nes i wneud fela. Oh my god. Eisiau gwneud gyd fel ha? Run nes i wan, de? 45th fastest run in the world. '45th in the world. Hyn efo controller. Dwi'n mynd oedd efo steering wheel fi set up. Un go arall. Un go arall. Dwi'n mynd neud stimia. Dwi'n mynd neud stimia. Hein ddim efo lot mwy na fi, sbio? Eto, fam ydw i. Fam ydw i. Getting it done. Getting this. Na, di, controller, dwi'n gynt efo steering wheel. Dwi'n gynt efo steering wheel. Throttle control.
3, 2, 1. We're off. 100 right 5, keep in. And left 4 long, keep in, opens. And flat right long, tightens 5.
Nes i spinio yn yr un dwytha fyd o.
5 opens, don't cut, 100.
Os dwi ddim yn spinio tro ma.
Short into right 4, tightens. And left 4
God,
short,
that was-
tightens and left 4.
Last run. Last run, dwi'n gaddo.
3, 2, 1. Off we go. 100 right 5, keep in. And left 4 long, keep in, opens. And flat right long, tightens 5. Into left 5, opens, don't cut, 100. Left 4 short, into right 4, tightens. And left 4 short, tightens and left 4.
Pam dwi'n ffwcio fanna fyny bob tro? Pam dwi'n ffwcio fanna fyny bob tro?
3, 2, 1, we're off. 100 right 5, keep in. And left 4 long, keep in, opens. And flat right long, tightens 5. Into left 5, opens, don't cut, 100. Left 4 short, into right 4, tightens. And left 4 short, tightens and left 4. Flat right over crest, tightens 5, short into left 3. And right 4 into left 3, short. Into right 3, tightens, bumpy and left 3, short. Into right 3, short and left 4,
Oh my
short,
god, oh my
30.
god. Gada fod yn wirion am
Right
just...
3, keep in, into left 3, tightens, don't cut. And right 4, tightens, narrows, 40.
Ti eisiau mynd cyn cyrraedd o fanna?
Right 6 and left 5 over crest. And left 4 short into flat right, 60. And left 3 into right 3, medium, tightens.
Siwna lot gwella to dwytha, de?
Into left 3, opens, into flat right, tightens. And left 3, keep in. Into right 5, medium. Into left 5, tightens, 4, into right 5. And left 4 over bump, 40. Into right 5, tightens 4, short, into left 5, very long, tightens, 40.
Den.
Right 3 short, rock out, and left 5, don't cut, 200. Right 5, 40. Caution, right 3, tightens. Into left 5, 30.
So dwi'n gallu mynd gynta na dim
Caution,
ots.
brake for right 3 short, into
Oh,
left
fa ma'n
3
bit
short.
awkward. Nid yn slow.
Into flat right,
Got the
tightens,
shot.
5, 30. Left 4 short, into right 5. And left 5 short, tightens, 3, 30. Left 5 tightens, 50. Flat right into finish.
What a run! Rhywiol. '21st in the world. Look at that. Look at that. Spear. Dwi'n meddwl sy'n newid set-up y car. Dwi'n meddwl sy'n ni'n cael... Dwi'n meddwl sy'n ni'n cael set-up y car, dwi'n meddwl sy'n ni'n gallu cael o'n nes, de. A dwi'n meddwl mae o'n eisiau steering wheel hefyd. Iawn, cyn i mi fynd, de, dwi eisiau dangos beth i chdi. Ti ditha fi? Ti roed i bod yn Great Home? Fama, ti roed i bod yn fama? Ie, hwn yn lle... Hwn yn 1440p quality. Dio ffocin ddim. Dio ffocin ddim. So ti'n dechrau yn gwylio allan dydno? Sbio? Mae tram yn mynd i chdi top, Great Home. O, byw yma. Dwi'n di'r to, yma lle dyd y tu ôl. Dwi'n dreifio hwn fyd, mae hwn reit cool. O, mae hwnna'n trip ti'n gorau neud rha yma. Ti'n gallu mynd fyny. Ti'n fyny. Gyda'r tram arall yma. Wel, wyt ti'n ofyn height? Wyt ti'n ofyn height? Be mae lot o pobl yn neud ydy ti'n cael tram un ffordd i fyny a ti'n cael hwn y ffordd arall.
Come and say g'day to incredible views of
Good day!
from way up above,
Good day!
way down under.
Explore more of Australia on Qantas with over 65 destinations. So what are you waiting for? Come and say good day.
Fucking lottery, mate. Iawn.
This is Jules, VP of a ketchup company, about to use Grammarly to...
Hello and welcome to another vlog here on Theme Park Worldwide from yet another British seaside resort. Today we're here in Llandudno. We've actually been in Wales for the whole earlier on to Zip Seaside Resort. Today we're here in Llandudno.
Llandudno!
In Wales for the whole day. We went earlier on to Zip World where we did the fastest zip line in the world at over 100 miles an hour. We did film a separate vlog for that, including some on-ride footage from both of the zip wires that we did there, including the one that's absolutely huge. They both go over a quarry, and yeah, it was absolutely fantastic. We had a brilliant time, and yeah, we're actually up here on top of the Great Orme in Llandudno. And
Oh, lle, mate?
In Llandudno, in Llandudno, in Llandudno, in Llandudno. Great Orme 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 in Llandudno. And yeah, sorry if it's a little bit windy up here. It's not too bad though, to be fair. And here's Charlotte, and she's really happy because I get to do the attractions that I love, and Charlotte gets some animal action.
Mae hi'n animal action. Mae hi'n edrych fatha dynas y lad baby na. Dim lad baby di hwn. Lad baby di o. Bad baby. Rhaid sy'n yn y candolig bob blwyddyn. Edrych fel yndi. Lad baby. Where's Land Baby? Os na Land Baby, lle mae'r babi? Sunglasses. Na, dim eisiau Facebook. Don't do, no. Allu fi fel? Lluniau bach. Hwna?
Yeah.
Sheep walking in the road.
Yeah, they're literally walking about in the road. Obviously, when you go down to Oakwood in Wales, sometimes you'll see the sheep walking around. But yeah, we've literally just come up here on the Great Orme Railway, which is a tramway that runs all the way up here, which is absolutely fantastic. It was actually built in 1902, and it's actually the only one of this type, what are operated by cables, still running here in the UK. And yeah, at first glance, it kind of resembles the San Francisco style trams. And we're actually up here now where we're waiting to get the tram back down. And of course, I'll share that journey with you guys. I'll film us going down and all the different bits of footage around
It's
there.
going down to Llandudno.
In terms of pricing, this is actually the halfway point. You can normally go a little bit further, but today they're only operating a coach instead of the tram because one's broken down a little bit further along. So I assume it was open earlier on.
Yes,
but,
get
I love
fucked.
stuff like this. As you know, if you've watched the channel for a while, when it comes to cable cars, trains, monorails, all the way down there.
Yeah, so hey,
just there. I'll take you for a little stroll up this hill just so we can see it. Oh yeah, there's like sheep poo everywhere up here. Went earlier on to Zip World where we did. Hello and welcome to another vlog here on Theme Park Worldwide from yet another British seaside resort. Today we're here in Llandudno. We're here in Llandudno. We're here in Llandudno. We're here in Llandudno. We're here in Llandudno.
Llandudno.
A couple of different trams today. Back down.
So mae tram yn reid pleserus.
We've got off to have a little look here.
We did.
Fuck them. Oh, got them consent. Land it now.
And look at that coach coming up here. How weird's that? Oh my god.
Oh my
Not
god.
seen one like that before. Like a little tour bus. That's strange, isn't it?
That bus has lost his hat. That bus has lost his little hat.
Oh, so if you pay for a ticket all the way, you get on one of those.
Oh, but the tight
let's
to
go in here and I'll share some footage with you guys.
A cable can shot somewhere.
Deserted. Obviously, this is seasonal. It runs from March to October. So if you are coming over winter, this will be closed. Same with the cable car. Wow, look at the view.
Spear, land it now. It's pretty cool.
Imagine if the sheep made it all the way down to the beach.
I know.
Oh my god, it's not funny.
Yeah.
It's not funny. Just, meddylia, sa'r defaid, de? Yn y lan y môr. Sy'n ddol? Sy'n... Oh, fuck. Sy'n not fucking funny. Sy'n... Range Rover. Hwna. Wyt ti'n 1080-60 dwi'n amach ni fanna, de? Look at that view! Look at that view. You should have sense of poet here. Can do it justice. Yn India. Try Kevin the boy man. Ian. King's Head. You already got paint in the King's Head. Dwi'n meddwl dwi'n wedi bod yn King's Head, actually.
There we go, and here we are reaching the...
What the hell? Be di yn? Be di yn? Queen? Mae'n ten, di hwn? 4 years yn ôl, oce, oedd ni'n fyw adeg yna. Sbia, y Queen. Fucking yn landed now. Golwg. Dwi'n lycus yma het i di copio. Fel yn ironically, fel rhywun sydd o stickers gwir yn y car fi, fel sticio hwnna car chdi. Not only the grass and the didno, am I right? You are right, Lois. You are.
Bottom station just here. Everybody out there enjoying the sunshine.
Ti'n ma fod i ffilmio pobl fel hyn? Ti'n gwybod bad stickers gyda fi? Dwi'n gallu... Dwi'n mynd i ddangos o? Na, dwi ddim. Dwi ddim mynd i ddangos o, mae'n rhy embarrassing. Mae gennym fi Ford Focus Standard hen, 2007. A mae gennym fi RS Sport sticker. A mae gennym fi... mae gennym fi Norschleifer sticker yna hefyd. Dwi wedi pobl yn dod ata fi yn gofyn yn ironically os dwi efo Focus RS. Mae'n yna ffwc o golwg y car fi. Na yrru link private i chdi dyle bod den. Dwi'n really siarad number plates fe hwn. Paid a ffilmio pobl fel hyn, mor agos. Seriously. Hefyd, de? Dyma den, beth arall i chdi dweud, de? Mae yna copper
If I
mines
make
yna.
a stitch, I can
The
make the
copper
next
mines.
fashion empire on Squarespace.
Sbia cool, though. Which is your fish tam chips. Fish tam chips.
Here's a nice plaque just here on the wall telling you a little
Ydy o'n di ddarllen hwn yn Gymraeg, gwen. Let's have a look.
bit about it there, and obviously you can see the Great Ormond Tramway, opened 1902, Britain's only surviving cable street tramway. There you go, from the Transport Trust. The little plaque down here as well. Unveiled to commemorate the completion of the Great Ormond Tramway track refurbishment, the 4th of April 2005. Little gift shop here as well. You enjoy that, Charlotte? Got a lot of character to it, stuff like that, hasn't it? Really nice. It's a lovely little area, actually. A little gift shop there where you can get all your tram merch. There we are. But yeah, we'll have a little stroll back down this way.
Yeah.
Like I say, to get
So-
it's literally on this
Fama ydy Land y Môr, so fanna mae'r pier, gwen.
street just here.
Landed
the
no
pier is
tram
just
merch.
About a 10-minute walk down in this direction. And yeah, the town centre's just down here and then to the right as well. So it's nice and easy to get to.
Siwr
And
mwyn
yeah,
sbio,
quite a lot
boi
of
ma.
parking as well around.
Lovely
all
character.
around the centre. I don't really recommend driving up the Great Orme. I'd probably park down the bottom just here and get the tram up. We'll have a stroll down here.
Fel rhywun sy'n drifio fyny Great Orme, dega weithiau. Mae'n hollol oce. Mae yna lôn mynd fyny a mae yna parking yn top. Mae parking yn really drud, ond dwi'n mwyn pam mae o'n... Dwi'n mwyn pam nath o'n neud yr fake news yna. Mae'n really hawdd mynd fyny yna.
And go and see
Really
what the
helps.
queue's like now for the cable car. Hopefully it'll be a lot quieter than it was earlier on.
Wei! Stopio, ffilmio pobl. Heb consent.
Yeah, I think it said they were a distance, but yeah, I think it said they were a fiver in probably about 10 minutes. Basically,
So beth gwell allan nhw allan? Nagos,
what
nagos.
we did one over in Southport not so long ago. Really good fun they are. Yeah, it's a gorgeous seaside town. There's not like loads of arcades and things on the front here. It's mostly like hotels and stuff, and then everything like that's on the street just behind it. And we was going to have an ice cream, weren't we? But how much for an ice cream with a flake? £2.60. I think that's a bit expensive, don't you? For
2018. 4 years yn ôl. So, dyna 2022 oedd o, actually, yeah? 2022... 4 years yn ôl, 2016. 260 ddim yn bad, de? Swn i'n neud o'n 260, de?
for an ice cream. So yeah, there's a few different rides. Got a mini Miami over there, little spinning regatta, little teacup. Got a little
So,
bumper boat.
ffordd arall, ffordd na, de? Ffordd na, wedi ddim y car rownd Great Orm, ffordd na. Neu, pasio trams allu di cael.
Mile tokens. Yeah, the cable car entrance is somewhere up there on that hill. They built in this.
Oh, yes, yes, yes!
It's not got loads of gondolas.
Okay, cable cars.
But yeah, you can just see it says cable car there on the side.
Mam... What about then? Some byd wrong with Mr Whippy. Mae gen ice cream da ac ice cream drwg I le. Dwi'n licio cadwaladers gymaint ar person nesa. Dwi'n joio. Dwi'n joio cadwaladers gymaint ar person nesa. But don't bring Mr Whippy hate yma. Mae hwn yn pro-Whippy. Da ni'n pro-Whippy yma. Na, guys! Oh my god, na! Wyt ti'n y pobl sydd wedi milk hot dog shit hefyd? Dau plesera bywyd, ie? Yeah? Hot dog tin a Mr 99 ice cream machine. Ice cream off machine. Soft served o'n yn galw yn yr industry. Soft serve yn mae o'n neis. Mae o. Ond dwi'n mynd deud fod o'n well. Dwi'n mynd deud fod o'n well. Be dwi'n dweud ydy it's got its place. Dwi'n lyfio hufen iag o iawn. Dwi'n joio fo. Ond oh my god. Sleep. Good place. To good place. To a good place.
Fine. So you come down this way and walk up the side of the hill and let's go and have a look.
Mae fa mynd gael neud I gyd. Sy'n dda fa. Paidiwch mynd I fanna nos. Paidiwch mynd I fanna nos. Mae gen fanna reputation yn nos, apparently, beth dwi wedi glwad. Os na chi'n darllen Daily Post gymaint o fi, mae fanna fa reputation yn nos. Just saying. Just saying. So, Great Orm. Just don't. Ignorance is bliss. So, well, Great Orm. Oh, dim ond Great Orm. Ni ar Great Orm wan. Faint mae'n costio di fan, sbia? Okay, now. Sbia? Os i'n return, de? 50 pence extra. They don't do them like I used to. That's weird. Return ride is over 2 miles. Okay. Happy Valley, yeah. Paidiwch a googlo Happy Valley Llandudno. You have been warned. Iawn? Anyway. £10.50 return. Ti roed yn neud hwn, King Kong Small Don? Dwi'n gwybod ti actually wedi bod ar hwn. Tam cofio. O, rai chdi. Cool.
Here we go then, so we've made it onto
Way,
the
you're
cable
going
car
on
after about a 45-minute wait. Quite a long wait there, but it's about a 10-minute journey each way. Hey, Feedback Worldwide on YouTube, check it out. But yeah, we're going to get some great views. Like I say, it opened in 1969. The longest cable car system in the UK. 2 miles.
Longest cable car system in the UK.
If you go in there and back.
Ti wedi.
Which is crazy, it really is. But
Dyma dan,
you
di
saw
hwn
the
yn rhywbeth
prices
sa chdi isio
just
mynd
there
ar?
for how much it is. £10.50 for a return trip. I think we've got to get off and queue at the other end to come back, but hopefully it won't be as busy. But we was chatting to the lady just, and she was saying that the what we've queued today, about 45 minutes, is nothing compared to how it can get. So they're making a killing on this, aren't they? I mean, it's not ridiculously cheap, but considering it's so
Yeah.
old and such a classic. And where else
Ti'n
do you
mynd
get
dros,
views like
ti'n
this from
mynd
a
dros
cable
fynwan
car?
trwy'n
It is
chydig.
stunning.
Mae yna
Well,
dry
worth it already, and we're nowhere near
skiing slope
even up
yma
the
fyd.
top just here, yeah. But
Yn rhywle.
yeah, and Charlotte bought me an ice cream as well.
I did.
But we didn't have a Mr. Whippy, did we? We had a
we had
had like a normal soft ice cream, a flavoured ice cream. Yeah, Charlotte had a.
Fucking
mint,
sain.
and I had a
It's for hyn
chocolate.
oedd dol badan yma.
Yeah, it was
Living the
delicious,
high
wasn't
life.
it? But it's so peaceful up here as well. You can just hear absolutely nothing. Well, there's a little look at the ski centre there. Look.
Oh yeah, ski centre.
Obviously, you've got the toboggan run that runs down there. If you want to see.
Whoa. Dwi wedi bod ar y toboggan sy'n Llandudno. Sut ti wedi bod yn Great Tom lle do? Bydan. Sut ti'n mynd i fi, chdi wedi bod yn Great Tom. Hence, da ni'n gwachio fideo am Great Tom. O ti wedi bod yn toboggans? Mae hwnna'n Great Tom. Da ni yn Great Tom, man. Lle yn ganol Llandudno fysa chdi toboggan ni o? Lle sa chdi gan... Mae'r ice cream posh ma dim di pen chdi a ti di cael brain freeze. Na, dwi'n meddwl sy'n digwydd. Dwi'n meddwl, ti mor... Ti'n bita gymaint o ice cream posh, ti'n cael brain freeze.
Action from that, then we did do it last year, so check out the vlog. Wow,
Is there?
we're speaking to someone in the queue line.
Mae yna... Pethau fan'na. Yr... Melina Gwynt. Mae'n iawn di.
And we heard that they said that there was over 300 wind turbines over there.
Yeah.
And just make them out in the distance. Oh wow, that is stunning. I think the closest views I've had from a cable car to this at Ocean Park
What's
in
that?
Hong Kong. My ears are popping. Crazy.
Just a tip as well, if you come into the cable car, bring cash, because you can't use your card.
Yes, it is cash.
Guaranteed yna mae'n wir fan da. Guaranteed bod nhw eisiau cardu fan di. Ges i taxi o adra cricet os ysdwytha. A oedd rhaid i ffrind fi talu fy cash.
Only. Oh wow, look at that. The toboggan down there.
There's a sheep!
Another one. Oh, there's loads. Look at them all on the hill.
Look at those shape!
Oh, you need to go and walk up here. Wow, look at that.
Wow.
You can see that the water's gone out now as well. You see it over there.
Pan hi ydi Eryri? Hwna, mae'n siŵr, e. Hwna di Eryri, mae'n siŵr, e. O, mouse fi.
There in the distance. Fantastic.
Dwi'n cofio mynd â ex fi i ffarm teulu fi. A nath i ofyn, oh, can you show me where the Wyddfa is? Nath i ofyn i fi. I said, oh, you can't see the Wyddfa from our farm, iddo fi. Because it's round the bend. Nath mam dweud, be? Ti siarad shit? Yndw, hwnna di Wyddfa. A am 30 years, o'n i'n gwybod o'n i'n gallu gael Wyddfa o adra. O'n i wedi assume o'n i wedi methu gael Wyddfa. A nath mam gael yn stupid o fe'n ex fi.
So yeah, it was a long wait, but I wanted to do this for so long. I wanted to do it last time, but obviously we needed to get back last time when we came to do that, because we waited quite a long time for that, didn't we? That took quite a while to wait for the toboggan run. But oh wow. Some of the best views from any ride.
Ti di bod fyny... Ti di bod fyny Wyddfa ymrys? Na ddo! Dwi erioed di bod... Oh my god. Dyma Dan, gyda fi apology. Gyda fi apology i Dolbadan, rwan. Dwi bod yn ei shit i Dolbadan ers awr am bod erioed bod fyny Great Tom. Fod i. Mi wedi bod yn Great Tom, nath i ddeud i cychwyn fod i heb. A nes i'r shit ydi. Put my hands up, eisiau shit ydi. Ond, dwi roed bod fyny wyddfa. O, ti'n roed bod fyny chwaith? Oce, ideal. Tourist trap, ie. Fyny ddechrau, dde, ie. Dwi bod fyny buildings uwch. Oedd ex chdi ddim yn siarad Cymraeg? Oedd ex fi'n siarad Cymraeg. Ond, o'n i siarad Saesneg efo fi. A hefyd, oedd ddim yn dall dad dwi'n siarad Cymraeg. Mynyddoedd eraill yn well. Controversial. Controversial opinion yma na. Not the opinions of Twitch Emrys Hobo. Pam? Pam yn be? O, pam oedd hi'n siarad Saesneg? Cos oedd o'n cos oedd hi'n Canadian. Ac faint o dda oedd hi'n siarad Cymraeg. Oedd hi'n siarad Saesneg, well na hi'n siarad Cymraeg, basically. Anyway, dim ots na di. Oedd ddim yn dall dad fi, na. Oedd ddim yn dall dad fi yn mynd gair. Oedd ddim yn dall mynd gair oedd yn dweud. So. A hefyd, di dad fi ddim efo... Di acen Cymraeg dad fi ddim mor insane hynna. Oedd debyg i fi. Ond, anyway. Dim yn bwysig hwnna di.
In the country, if not Europe. It's stunning, isn't it?
Beth oedd y fyna? Beth oedd y fyna?
Obviously, we needed to get back last time when we came to do that.
Yndi,
We
dad
waited
y
quite a
ffermwr
long time for that, didn't we? That took quite a while to wait for the toboggan run.
Sgwm acen Josgyn, de? Acen tha fi. Dwi'n acen reit... Dwi'n fatha city folk accent yn do. Acen fi fatha city slicker yn di. Mae'n acen reit debyg i fi. So ddim... Os da fatha fi, some hint o ffarmwr yn acen yna gys. So... Na. Dwi'n iawn, do. Anyway.
But, oh, wow. Some of the best views from any ride in the country, if not Europe. It's
Weird.
stunning, isn't it?
Well,
And we're still climbing
anyway,
up just here.
X did dim yn cyfri.
So there's only 2 of these manufactured by this company in the UK. The other one, I believe, is at Flamingo Land in North Yorkshire.
Flamingo Land. Os o rhywun yn y chat wedi bod yn Flamingo Land. Di Flamingo Land dal i fynd? Flamingo. What a... Natural habitat. Yeah. But luna. Cos i ddim yn gwella ti yn fucking... Yeah, go ffôn.
Oh, it's just so peaceful. Obviously, you've got all the Landudno down there.
Lle, all over lle. All over lle, mate.
So peaceful. Obviously, you've got all the Landudno down there.
Sorry, si fydd na?
Oh, it's just so peaceful. Obviously, you've got all the Landudno down there.
Lle?
Oh, it's just so peaceful. Obviously, you've got all the Landudno down there.
Unwaith eto?
Oh, it's just so peaceful. Obviously, you've got all the Landudno down there.
Oh, iawn, okay.
All the shops down there, and we've parked
All so peaceful. All the shops.
in that multi-story car park. You can just see it actually from here, just down the bottom there.
Be mae'n pwyntiad?
See from here.
Lle ma multi-story? Lle ma multi-story? Yma na. Be ffwc? Be mae'n pwyntiad? Yma na? Na. Monkeys a cwns yn sbio ar y bus. It's got a deal in the bus. So os yw'n deal in the bus... Fanna. Fanna mae multi-story.
Just down the bottom there, in that multi-story. Well, obviously, you can drive up here if you want up the Great Hall and park up here, but the roads aren't great.
Again, a lie. Na ddau lon. Mae nhw'n lonydd cul. Mae nhw'n lonydd cul. I'll give him that. Na di, dyn eich ddim yn cul. Some byd wrong efo lonydd.
Some guy on his own there, just chilling out. Hey. And obviously, we're going to see the station where we started this vlog shortly. I think it'll be just under us up here in a second.
Dwi'n meddwl am walk ffordd yma, weekend yma neu weekend nesa. Mae na...
Wow.
Gyda fi llyfr Gynna fi llyfr. North Wales and Snowdonia Outstanding Circular Walks. Yn hwn, mae yna 28, 28, na 28 walk sy'n mynd yn anoddach fel ti'n mynd ymlaen. Dwi wedi gwneud 2 o hein. Dwi wedi gwneud... Mae hwn gyda fi ers 2020. Dwi wedi gwneud 2 o'r walks o'r llyfr yma. Rhif 1. Number 1. Sef y walk hawsa. Circular walk hawsa yn North Wales a Snowdonia ydy'r Great Orme. Dwi wedi hwnna. Hwnna yn very nice walk. Very nice walk. 2.5 hours. Ti'n parcio 8 meet-up. Yeah. Na, Mr Whippy. Mr Whippy. Mr Whippy. Okay, hwn ddech yn... Okay, just ffilmio ty rwy'n. Just na hynna, ie? Ond, ti'n bydd i heb di dangos ni eto top Great Orme, y caffi neis na, a camera obscura. Ti'n fawr? Dwi'n fawr. What? Ti'n dweud? Ah! God!
At all, it's crazy, like, you know, and I love with those old school cable cars, how they come to a bit of an abrupt stop and the member of staff there just has to grab hold of it to slow it down. But yeah, it's amazing up here and there's no wind at all. It's crazy, like, you don't expect because you're this high up above sea level, it's been really breezy, but it's not. It's beautiful up here. If you look just over there, that shows you just how far we've just come on this, obviously, all the
Ydy'n sefyll ar y lliad? Bydd i'r exposure ma?
way down the bottom. You can't even see the other station because obviously it's right down the bottom there. And then we came all the way up, a couple of pylons worth, and then there's the halfway station down there for the tramway. Then followed this all the way up here. Obviously that's the highest point just up the top just there.
Caffi neis yma.
Wow,
Caffi.
Charlotte's trying to... she's following the sheep. She's trying to get sheep cuddles, I think. She loves animals, bless her. Now, I'm glad she's come today and we've had a really nice time here. You know, it's been lovely, it really has.
What?
Celebrating our anniversary.
Mae
We're doing something a bit different.
siarad
It's a
am
bit
un
of a surprise
sal.
today. Like I said, I didn't tell her where we were coming. I was really proud of her actually for doing the zip wire because she was a bit scared. Like I say, go and check out the vlog. But it's something
Bless
to remember
her.
on our
Bless her.
anniversary. She'll always remember that, oh yeah, well there we go, we went to Zip World for our 5th anniversary. We'll go out for a nice meal tonight as well. Well, there you go, right?
Lle ydych chi'n meddwl mae'n mynd am nice meal? Dwi'n meddwl maen nhw'n mynd I Harvey's yn Llandudno.
Let's have a little explore and then of course get the cable car back down.
Pam dyma dangos y caffi? Mae'n ffocin... Mae'n caffi na! Mae'n caffi! Yeah, nice meal yn Llandudno. Mae'n... Stopio ffilmio pobl heb consent. Fucking hell. Mae'n literally... Literally... Literally, I chwith yma hwn. Mae yna fucking big fuck off building efo caffi a stuff. Ydy o'n dangos o? Like
Here I
fuck,
am
mae'n
then,
dangos
right
o.
at the highest point here on the Great Orme.
Oh, ydyn dangos o wan.
Fantastic
Ydyn nhw'n
views
ddweud am
all
dangos
the
o.
way around, 360 here.
360.
Look at that, wow, and it gives you a good idea of how far the
Wow.
cable car brings you here.
You've got
Fantastic.
your
You can
yma.
sit up here all day long, you know, it's lovely.
It's a Caffi channel, not
It really
a...
is, and obviously you can
Whoa. Ti'n cael dyna? Ydw i'n little siarad am ice cream gyna. So...
see it running all the way down the middle just there.
Pam dyma dangos y
Somewhere here
building
on the
massive
right-hand
at top,
side,
gyda
I've seen
Tom.
the station for that. Somewhere over there, maybe.
Oh my god!
Wow, you also
What's
get a
it
great view of
all?
all them wind
Fucking-
turbines. Absolutely crazy. Look at all those.
Come on.
And there we go. But yeah, we've got a queue up to.
Oh my god! Mae'n literally fyna! Mae'n literally fyna. Pam dyma dangos o? Pam dyma dangos o? Ydw i'n cael dangos o?
You could walk back down if you wanted
Oh,
to, or get
oh.
the tram. Maybe you could get a single
Yeah, okay.
on the cable car, then a single on the
Oh, no,
on the tram, you know,
yeah.
and do each one sort of one way and then the other going back. But yeah, there you go. The tallest point marked out just here.
Oh my god, pwyd i... Mae'n siarad ffilmio hwnna fyna. Stranger fyna. Mae'n siarad siarad fy hyn. Fatha nutter.
Yeah, fantastic. But yeah, Charlotte's joined the queue just down there. Let's have a little look round here and then, yeah.
Whoa. Charlotte has joined the queue down there. So... Pam di am yn y queue? Ydyn nhw'n cael ceip... Ydy o'n newid cyfadda ma'n skip y queue? Ma'n skip y queue yndi? Ie, mae fe'n allan neud. So, mae fanna yn rhan o mining lle. So, mae hwnna fatha museum, history and science place, exhibit. Caffi arcade y fama. Caffi a restaurant y fanna, arcade y fama, dwi'n meddwl.
Go and join her and head back down. I'll show you some more footage.
Nath am dangos y car park. Mae'n massive car park i'r dde fama. Mae'n massive car park. Mae'n allan neis do. Lord Boston.
But here's another look at the getting there. Yeah, it's a good toboggan. Obviously starts all the way at the top just there, the dry ski slope.
Lle mae ski slopes yn dechrau ar y top.
People standing over there, look, looking out over the bay.
Landed no bay. I've just been to
I just can't
Landed
believe
no
there's no
bay.
wind up here at all. Like, crazy. True to it, but it was our last anniversary was at Alton Towers, wasn't it? But obviously we met there, but I think this has been a bit more special in the fact that I'll always remember going on that zip wire.
Whoa, we met there.
Didn't we? Yeah, I do
Whoa.
love my cable car attractions, but there you go, that wraps up this
Sut y cyfarfod rhywun theme park?
little mini vlog. Like I say, check out the one from earlier on at Zip World. We had a fantastic time doing that zip wire, and thanks for joining us in these special couple of vlogs from our anniversary as well. It's nice to document our anniversary. I know we went to Alton Towers, didn't we? For it was our last anniversary was at Alton Towers, wasn't it? But obviously we met.
There's no wind up here. Ond llwyth o wind noise. Ie, hollol. Si'n meddwl fyna tan yma. Fyna no wir.
There, but I think this has been a bit more special in the fact that I'll always remember going on that zip wire, with it being such a big anniversary, 5 years for us, and with obviously us meeting because of the channel and Alton Towers and things. It's nice that we've done something a bit different this year, but also something that I'll always remember. I'll always think now, all them years time, on our 5th anniversary, we went on the fantastic zip wire. But there you go, thanks for joining me and Charlotte. And we've got lots planned soon. Dreamland, Margate, Adventure Island, and so much more to come over the summer months here on Theme Park Worldwide. From the beautiful Llandudno, that means it's time to...
Lle. Whoa, sorry, lle. Sorry, mate. Lle.
Much more to come over the summer months here on Theme Park Worldwide. From the beautiful Llandudno, that means it's time
Llandudno.
to cue those credits. See you later, guys.
Theme park worldwide. Worldwide.
You're watching Theme Park Worldwide.
Faint Oce. So be, o'n i bron yn mynd i rei shit iddo fo. O'n i am rei shit iddo fo. Yn dweud, guaranteed mae just yn mynd i rei Prydain. Na. So mae'n edrych chwan.
Rest easy at over 800 locations. Only available at premierinn.com.
Neis i fod nhw'n dal efo'i gilydd, ddo.
Well, after an absolutely amazing 2 weeks, our time in Australia has unfortunately come to an end.
Honestly, it's been absolutely fantastic, but if you haven't already,
Mae'n mwy professional, wan. Mae hyd oedd yn neud eitha.
be sure to check out all the vlogs from everything we've been up to.
Yeah, there's a full playlist here on the channel, and of course over on the Sandbrook Adventures as well.
Ti'n
Well,
meddwl
there's even-
maen nhw'n neud digon o pres ar YouTube i gallu fford yn y hyn? Ti'n meddwl YouTube sy'n talu y trips mewn?
more content to come from Australia, so make sure you head over there if you haven't already. There's a link down below
14K
in the
wins,
video
though.
description. But yeah, we just made our way now here to Perth Airport to make our way over to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing a new country for us.
Yeah, something brand new for us to see, and of course we're going to be visiting 4 different theme parks as well.
Pan mae gen hwn ITV2 fucking vibes. Pan dwi'n meddwl dan ITV2 shows pan mae hi'n siarad.
So stay tuned for them vlogs that'll be coming up next. I tell you what though, I'm going to miss the blue skies and sunshine
I
here.
know, it's so hot.
Perth here has been absolutely wonderful, it really has. Wish we had a little bit more time here, but we saw the park, we've had a nice chill out in the pool this morning.
It was lovely this morning.
And considering we're 2.5 weeks into a 3-week trip, we're feeling really refreshed
We are
actually.
fresh, to be honest.
That's the thing, the park hours haven't been too long.
Dwi'n cys mae'n siarad dros ti. We've been very refreshed here.
We've not had too intense of an itinerary. Yes, we've done a lot of travelling round, but you know what? I feel quite chilled. It's been like a holiday as well this
Which has
time,
been
you know.
really nice.
Yeah, instead of just full-on theme parks, we've seen so much else. And
He fel
obviously you can see
echo.
that all over on our other channels
So
as
be,
well.
helo dyd
But
ti.
anyway, yeah, we've made it here
Ond
to the
oeddech chi
airport.
ma gynna
We've
pan
had
ni'n gwachod
absolute
Great Orm
flight.
to dydno.
Obviously, we're already on the
She's
time
come
zone
leaps and
now.
bounds
It's
there.
the same time zone here in Perth as it is over in Kuala Lumpur.
We haven't got to worry about times changing or anything like that.
Yeah, we're taking off this afternoon at 3. We come in just before 9. Yeah, it's about a 6-hour flight, and we're flying with an airline called Malindo.
Yeah, I've
Join
not
the
heard of
club.
them
I think-
before.
Yeah,
Join the
so
club.
About a 6-hour flight, it should be okay. I'm not too sure what this airline is going to be like, but
Os
yeah, we'll go
a
with the flow,
babis
we'll
ddim
see.
chubby?
But honestly, I just want to say from
Ydy bab-
Australia, thank you
ydy
so
o'n
much
bosib
for
cael
watching us.
bywyd o gael
today.
babis sydd ddim yn
Honestly,
chubby?
it has been amazing. I know we've had a lot of
It's Villa
Australian
Man,
fans
yeah?
who've watched the channel for a while who've really
Yeah.
enjoyed seeing our adventures
Definitely,
here,
yeah.
and we have loved it. We really have, and we've seen the best
Ydy
of it all. out
pobl
here.
yn cael babis ytha ripped? Dath i fel? Dwi wedi gweld babis sydd ddim yn iach. No. Cos dwi wedi gweld y fideos o ytha plant ytha 7-8 oed yn mynd ytha bench pressio a stwff, de. Iawn, oce. Dim rip, iawn, oce.
With their theme parks and attractions, and I cannot wait.
Siarad am hwn, ydyn ni, dyd si, Great Orm.
You're watching theme parks.
Lle ffwc mi'n mynd, rwan? Sbia? Lle fe wedi bod? Lle fe wedi bod? Dwi wedi bod yn stuck yn ffocin twtil ers ffocin bron i 3 years. A mae'r fuckers yma yn cael mynd i ffocin bo man. How is that fair?
Hello and welcome to another vlog
Hello.
here on Theme Park Worldwide from yet another British seaside resort. Today we're here in Llandudno.
Landed no. Landed no. Iawn, faint hwn yn costio? Faint hwn yn costio? Oce, so mae'r tram yn costio... So mae'n 850 and 9... Oh, return, mae'n siŵr, e? Return 950. No, bad, ydy. Be am yr... Be amdan... Prices. Oh my god, £12.50 wan. No. No. No, thank you. O, be yun? Fyny wyddfa. Pwy ddim mynd fyny wyddfa? Fuck,
The
dyn.
most beautiful, awe-inspiring journeys in the land. A few words for your comfort and safety. We ask you to remain seated and not to lean out of the window.
Just yn annoying amdan y wyddfa. De? Ydy, de? Mae o'n brysur pan mae'n braf. Mae'n brysur pan mae'n braf. Dim mynd o turistiaid. Dyn nhw'n gwybod beth i wneud efo turistiaid. Dwi'n o pobl yn fatha... Mae nhw'n pobl... O, mae nhw'n gormod o pobl yn dod yma wan. Ta, sortiwch allan, ie. Nwch yr... Gwella'r infrastructure so dio ddim yn hassle, ie. Dim yn anodd yna di. O, cael cer mas, bia. Height yn cael fi. Ti'n mynd cerad hwnna na? Mae'n un ffordd rili prysur oes. Pam eisiau ddyn random sŵn adar ar hwn? Fi dodgy foot, dwi dal eisiau cyrra fyny fo ddo. Ie, mae gennych chi actual reswm da i ddim mynd o'n dweud sy'n byw yn Ryncon. Dwi'n byw yn Gynarfon, dwi'n byw yn Twtl. Sgwi literally ddim. Eryri. Ydw i'n gallu jyst gweld... Lle mae'r peak? Summit. Peak. Iawn, so fanna iawn. Dwi'n byw yn... Dwi'n byw yn... Big Out, dim Big Out, no? No way, Big Out, dwi'n God. Dwi'n byw yn fama. Dwi'n byw yn y bit yma. Na i ddim didosio'n hyn. So, na i jyst eisiau Twtl Felt. Dwi'n byw yn reit agos i Twtl Felt, so... So, technically, de, allai gadael tu fi, iawn? No we, dyna myth fydd yn wir. No we, fod hynna'n wir. Mae hwnna'n honni, de, allai cerdded... Hwna'n dweud allai cerdded o drws tu fi i ben Eryri mewn 4 awr, 4 munud. No way! Pa mae Begel o fanna? No way, allai cyrra 4 awr. Edrych am Man vs Mountain. Dwi'n byw fama ddo. 11 miles ydi o. Dwi'n am neud sens. O, ti'n mynd trwy'r dan bech? O, ie. Na, dwi'n mynd trwy'r dan bech. Gael. Snowdon Base Camp. Dwi'n am y Cymro yn iawn. Dwi'n methu beth. Cael mynd trwy Llanber am 49 munud am 12 miles. Ie. Be? Iawn, dwi'n mynd i gwylio hwn hefyd. Ie. Hwna di chwalu bren fi hwnna. Ie, felly mynd i gwylio sy'n sôn sy'n hwyr o. Diolch i pob oedd joinio, yn diwedd. Hwna di chwalu bren fi. Bydda i ddim yn stream yn osfori, cos dwi'n neud beth, a dwi ddim yn stream yn swynna, cos dwi'n neud beth. Mae pen bwyd fi di Sul, felly na i streamio di Sadwrn neu di Sul. So, ie, diolch dyd ti, diolch dod beden. Diolch King Kong Small Dong os i dal yma. Emrys Promise, gyda fi Emrys Promise. Emrys Promise. O, di Sul, mae pen bwyd fi, di Sul. Emrys Promise. Yn 2023. Yn 2023. Na, dwi'n 34 nesa. Yn 2023, dwi am neud hwn. Dwi am neud hwn. Yn 2023. Emrys Promise. Dwi ddim am cerad o nôl. Na i cerad lawr i fama. A cael bus o fath o fama wedyn. Ond yn 2023, dwi am neud y walk ma a vlogio fo. Emrys Promise. With that, I bid you a good night.